You probably have heard about the Walmart Birkin, in that apparently Walmart is selling fake Birkin bags. So let's get into it today and discuss more what is exactly behind this scandal. Hey everyone, it's me, Alegra. Now you might have seen my previous video where we discussed the Walmart Birkin and the workin that everybody is going crazy for. I mean, it is so controversial. And this is such a hot topic right now for so many different reasons. And when I took a further deep dive into this subject, I realized some things that really shocked me. So I really want to share them with you today and see what your thoughts and opinions are on what I have recently found. Now, you might have already seen this. I had not seen this TikTok. And apparently a TikToker had bought a Birkin from Walmart. So they bought the workin, and apparently, now I have seen the footage. What has happened is that this TikToker actually got a bag from Walmart that was not really so much as inspired by the Birkin, but it was an exact dupe.
The infamous Walmart Birkin. This damn thing has been all over my FYP. We gonna see what this thing's giving, because everybody says that these look just like Birks. And y'all know, baby, there ain't no way I'm ever spending that kind of damn money on a babe. Even if I had the money, there ain't no way I'd spend that kind of money on a purse. Okay, so first and foremost, I already see that it has a little twilly in it, which I love. So, let's open this bitch. Okay, already it looks cute. I ain't even about to lie. It already looks kind of cute. Let's see what it's giving.
So it had the stamping on it, it had the Hermes writing on it. There was literally nothing about this bag that did not look exactly and mirror exactly the Hermes Birkin.
There was not a single part of me that ever expected that video of the Walmart Birkin to blow up the way that it has. And I have had so many people that have asked me this. I have typed the brand in the comments so many times that literally my fingers are going numb.
Now, this TikToker had created this TikTok and it went completely viral. They've gotten millions of views. They did several videos on the topic, from unboxing the bag to showing how they styled it to giving their thoughts and opinions on the quality. And so many people are just loving what this TikToker is putting out. One of the issues that this TikToker has brought up is that they said that everybody should have access to the Hermes Birkin bag.
I ain't got a problem with carrying no Birkin, no fake luxury. Girl, just because we are not millionaires doesn't mean that we don't deserve to have nice things. But I'm gonna tell you right now, the average person can't go out and afford a $25,000 bag. So if you got something like Walmart that's gonna emulate that and it's gonna look almost identical to that, damn right, expect your average person like me to go out and buy it and flaunt that shit and not have a problem. Bye.
So essentially what they're saying is it doesn't matter, you know, Birkins shouldn't only be for the rich, Birkins should be for everybody. So they styled it, and you know, I gotta be honest, this TikToker looked great. He put all kinds of charms, very Jane Birkin style, because Jane Birkin, who was one of the original designers of the Birkin bag and who the Birkin bag is named after, she herself would put all kinds of charms and stickers, and she really loved to jazz up her Birkin bag. And this TikToker did the same thing.
And I just decorated this bag up like the way that I wanted to. I put my little bunny, I did my little twilly wrap around this, I got the clasp closed, but I got it like that so I could still reach down into it. And then I literally took just like an old gold necklace and connected it back here because I thought it just jazzed it up a little bit.
He put all kinds of chains, stickers, charms, little teddy bears, and I gotta give it to him, it looked amazing. And I thought to myself, if Jane Birkin saw this today, she might really like this. I don't know why, I just thought she would like at least how he's rocking it. I don't know if she would like that they're doing counterfeits of the bag, because she had it set up, which one of you had let me know about, but she had it set up where proceeds from the Birkin bag do go to charity for animals. So I don't think she would appreciate that when you buy your Birkin from Walmart, the charities aren't getting any of the money. So that is a lot of the energy behind this Walmart Birkin that is just taking over the internet and is causing so much controversy, is that people are just saying this isn't right. We all deserve to have a Birkin. We all deserve to have style. We all deserve to look amazing, and it shouldn't be based on how much money you have. Can you afford the Birkin? It's really saying the Birkin should be accessible for all. All should have access to the style. All should have access to fashion, luxury fashion, whatever it may be. They're saying that everybody should now have access to the look and the style. In my opinion, you are kind of getting the look, but you're probably not getting the quality. But you know, you never know, because the bag only costed about $80 on Walmart. So now you might get your money's worth, because $80, you know, if it lasts a few years, you did a good job, you know, whereas the original Birkin's going for over $10,000, but apparently it's going to last pretty much a lifetime. And the good thing about that too, I really appreciate, is that when you buy a luxury bag, you can resell it, and you get a lot of times triple, quadruple what you paid for it. So I think that's really amazing. I have a few bags that I bought. Everybody was making fun of me because I had bought this one Chanel bag, and it has basically tripled in value. And so if I sold it right now, I would actually make so much money on it, which makes me feel good. So that's just one element though that makes the Birkin really special. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. What I wanted to bring up today is the topic though of that I didn't realize that Walmart was selling exact dupes for the Birkin with the writing and the stamping and all that. And you know, that brings up the topic, these are counterfeit bags, and those bags are essentially illegal. Now, since this TikToker has posted that video, but those bags are all gone. If you go to Walmart right now, the bags are all gone. All of the counterfeit bags with the markings, all of the inspired by bags are gone. One of you beauties, Kimberly, had even brought up Chetti Blake, who had made a, you know, a sort of a inspired by bag, although it pretty much looked very much exactly like the Birkin, and I had one and it was incredible quality. It was very beautiful. And it didn't have any logos or stamping on it claiming to be Hermes, but it did look exactly like it. And she had brought up how Hermes sued Chetti Blake, and Chetti Blake can no longer produce those bags. So if you go to the Chetti Blake website, they're not there anymore. They're completely gone. Now, the original TikToker that I was just telling you about, he was also giving tips on how to get a work-in on his TikTok. And he was saying you have to download the app. He gave the exact name that you have to type in to the app to get the bag that he got, which is the work-in with, again, all of the Hermes writing, stamping, logos, etc. on it. Now, I, in the spirit of researching this topic, got the Walmart app, put in the exact description and the exact wording that he put in, which was several different letters with different symbols actually in the wording. So it was kind of very secret society-esque. It was a, if you know, you know, kind of one of those things. And so I put it in, and they're all completely gone. Right now on Walmart.com and the Walmart app, you will only find authentic, pre-loved Birkin bags for sale. Now, those bags are going for $10,000 and up. So apparently, I do believe what has happened is that Hermes has gotten wind of this situation, and they have probably sent a cease and desist to Walmart. They're all gone now. You can't get one. Now, the good news for us is that I am having a giveaway. I did get one before this all went down. I have one that is an inspired version, no logos, nothing of that nature on it, but it's a beautiful bag. And so I am giving that away. We will be picking the winner very soon. So make sure you're subscribed to enter to win a work-in for yourself. The bag that I'm giving away is a true work-in, again, because it's just inspired by, no logos, not in any way pretending to be a Birkin. So I actually got that bag from Walmart, but a lot of people don't realize that at Walmart is actually essentially just like Amazon. It is a marketplace. It's just like almost even eBay, where it's just different sellers selling products and putting it under the Walmart umbrella, or the, for example, on Amazon, it's just different storefronts. It's different sellers selling their goods. Walmart is probably going to claim that they didn't know what that company was selling. They're going to probably claim we didn't know they were selling counterfeit bags. So that brings up another topic. This is such a hot topic. There's so many different facets. And you know, you say it's just fashion. When I originally got into this, I thought, when I originally started, thinking about this topic, I just thought, oh, it's cute, it's fashion, who doesn't want to have fun and wear different fashion items? But it really does go in a totally different direction. It brings up so many different topics of discussion about society and things of that nature when you really think about it and when you really get into it. And then, just another quick topic that I wanted to mention with all of this is that, so many people are saying, it's okay for kids to buy the fake bags and let the kids buy the fake bags and let them have fun, But the thing is that I just feel like there's a lot of people online saying that these are just kids and let them have fun and let them buy their, fake bags. I think it's fine to wear an inspired bag. But if you want to get one of these counterfeit bags, and if you just want the style, that I think that's fine too. But just don't lie about it. If somebody even asks you, oh, where'd you get your bag? Say, I got it from AliExpress or whatnot, or Walmart or Amazon. If it has the logos and the stamping on it, and I can't really speak to that, because it is apparently illegal activity, so we have to be aware of that. But if you do happen to have one and someone asks you, I just think the right thing to do is to not lie, and that's what's really refreshing about the Walmart Birkin, is that here you can just say, it's inviting everybody to just say, I got it at Walmart. You're not actually lying and saying that it's real. And you're not trying to flex and be like, oh, look at me, I'm better than everybody. Like these girls that were on TikTok, they were, for example, buying all these fake bags, and they were claiming they had a huge bag haul, and they were really trying to look like, what are they really trying to do? They're trying to act like they're better than other people, and look how much money we have. And that's just not a good energy. That's just not nice. And it's not a good value to teach your children, because apparently their parents knew about it. And people are saying, let them live, they're just kids. But the thing is that you don't want to encourage that kind of behavior. So let them, if they did a haul of bags, say I got a bag haul, I got a fashion haul. No one's going to, plenty of people showing their bags, dupes and this, that, and the other, and people are happy for them. But to go ahead and say that they're real when they're not, that's just not morally right. To teach to lie, to teach your children to lie. You should teach them to say, oh no, I got this bag on Amazon or Walmart or DHgate. It's cute, I like it. Just don't lie, just if you don't even want to, if someone asks you in real life and you don't want to answer, just, oh, I don't remember, just I've had plenty of people say that to me. I say, oh, that's so cute, where'd you get it? They'll say, I don't remember. You're not lying, really. You're not saying, oh, it's real. You're just saying, you just don't want to answer. Just if that makes you feel more comfortable, but just don't want to get into the habit of lying, and that's what's very refreshing about the Walmart Birkin, is that you're saying, this is a workin, look at it, it's cute, it's me, it's the moment. I don't know, guys, but what do you think? Let me know down below. I just saw a video. Rich Lux took his workin into Hermes, shopped and dropped, had a great time, looked adorable, looked very fashion forward, and he had a great time. He put it on the counter. Nobody cared. He was having a good time. He's an artist. He was just being himself. He wasn't lying. He wasn't saying, oh, look at me, what a Birkin. He said, no, this is my workin, and walked right into Hermes with his workin. So, let me know. I will have Rich's video linked down below, because he's posting about this day and night. He has all kinds of opinions. So I will link Rich's video down below. And so let me know what you think, though. Don't forget also to enter into my giveaway for a workin. And I will have my video linked down below where you can see the workin that I'm giving away. And again, I will be picking the winner very soon, so I'm super excited for that. So I hope you're all doing good. Again, let me know your thoughts and opinions. And that's pretty much it. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.